Dense board layout can be a challenge for even the most seasoned designer. Irregular routing channels, sophisticated fan-out strategies, and components with non-standard footprints often can't be effectively routed using standard trace angles. They require an advanced approach. Altium Designer introduces new routing technology that helps users overcome these common design pitfalls with free angle segments and tangential arcs. With the ability to make completely smooth and accurate transitions, along with entire trays, PCB designers are able to route nets with complex geometries quickly, efficiently, and in a well-controlled and predictable manner. Need to polish an existing route? The improved glossing feature will help you clean up existing traces in your design while maintaining high routing standards.